bleaching Kyrgyzstan. And you can learn our roots because we have so many historical, cultural heritage. Please come and explore. It's very important sphere. And we are open to cooperate very closely, very tightly, and we are very happy to greet you in Kyrgyzstan. I wish you all the best for the round table, fruitful and working success. Thank you for attention. So this is our ministry. The Minister of Culture, Information and Tourism means more than 1,000 libraries, almost 100 educational institutions. We have 2 universities and schools, high schools, middle schools, elementary schools on music, on our art. So 7 media centers in all regions of Kyrgyzstan. More than 100 museums, including private ones and the local ones. Also 20 theaters and 38 cinema theaters. Around 30,000 employees. About 2,000 historical heritage and one source. But the main thing, we have very hospitable people. Therefore, welcome to Kyrgyzstan. Today, as before, our country supports the Belt and Road Initiative with the aim of developing intercultural relations between the Shanghai Cooperation Organization member states. This allows not only to preserve the great heritage, honoring the